Hey y'all, it's Robin the Dixie Pixie. Welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to let everyone know and announce to the world that I have joined the No Poo revolution. Yes, I no longer use shampoo on my hair. And I'm loving it. About 2 months ago, I started researching it and stopped using shampoo. And I love the way my hair has been. My hair is so much softer. My color lasts longer. It's just totally different. My style lasts longer. The products, like the styling products that I use, work better with my hair, and I just love it. So I wanted to show you what I'm using and how I'm doing it. So and thank you to everyone for sweet comments on my hairstyle. That was so sweet of everybody. But okay, so a few little things. The one thing that I use the most, and I just absolutely love it, is the I want to make sure I get this right, Herbal Essences Cleansing Conditioner. And I use the one that has a rose scent to it. They also have an unscented. And I think those are the only two they have. They may have more, but the only ones I've seen are the unscented and the rose scented. And I just love this. If y'all can see, and it's just cleansing conditioner. Oh, and this is the Color Me Happy. It fights fade out. That's this one. The other one is just a regular cleansing conditioner, but this one has, it's more gentle for color treated hair, and does help fight fade out. So I use this in the shower. Anytime I wash my hair. I don't wash my hair every single day. I usually wash my hair every other day. And when I use shampoo, I would have to wash my hair either every day or every other day. And now I can go 3 days sometimes without washing my hair. This is the second day. I washed my hair yesterday, but I did not wash my hair today. I just styled it. So I use this, and that's the only thing I use. Now, that's the all the time. But every now and then I can tell that there might be a little buildup, or I just feel like I need some freshness to my hair. So I will use the Not Your Mother's Way to Grow Long and Strong shampoo. And it is sulfate free, and it's for all types of hair. And I love this. It you get a little bit of lather, so you know, because our minds are trained to think our heads have to be full of lather to be clean. And that's not necessarily the case. So I do like to use this, but it's sulfate free, so it's gentler on your hair. So I'll use that every now. I'll throw a little tiny bit of this in just to get an extra clean. And then I will also, about once a week, I do a deep condition, and I do the L'Oreal Total Repair Damage Erasing Balm. And I really love this. You just put it on your hair, you leave it in for 5 minutes or 3 minutes, or, you know, even just a couple of minutes helps. 5 minutes is what they say to use it for, but I've just used it for a couple of minutes before and found it to be fine. But love this, but I only do this once a week. And then I will also, if I just feel like I need a little extra softness to my hair, along with the Herbal Essence Cleansing Shampoo, I will also use Suave Naturals Water Mist Conditioner. I love this conditioner. It's really, really soft. But so why don't y'all come and join me and be a part of the No Poo revolution? No more poo! And stop using shampoo. Stop stripping your hair of its natural oils, and get it clean and healthy again. My hair is so much healthier. It styles so much better. I just love the way it feels. And I like a lot of product. And I have some new favorites too that I'm going to share with you soon. So try that. You might like it. That's just a tip from the Dixie Pixie to help you have fun, save money, and look fabulous. And y'all come back and see me now. Here.